just tell them that it's for a dollar bills, you know. So these are the things that you'll be needing in order for you to have a successful dollar account. Hey guys, good morning. If you're seeing my face for the first time, welcome to my channel. So I know I look a mess right now. I'm still wearing my workout clothes, but I needed to do this video this morning to show you. So you'll be wondering, why is she wearing glasses and the rest of them on call? Is this a fizzy? So of recent, I've been itching my eyes a lot, and my eyes is always like it's doing me because I've been using my laptop and my phone like a lot these days. So I got these glasses. They said it's blue lens protection or so that is what I now use mostly for my laptop and my phone. So I'll be showing you, I'm actually making use of my laptop. That is why I was wearing it. I'm wearing it. So I'll be showing you how to put in your domiciliary account you have opened in the bank in your Google AdSense account. So if you have opened up your domiciliary account, I will also show you the process on how I have opened up my domiciliary account, the process, the things you need, and then how to put it in your Google AdSense account. So if you would love to know more, keep watching, and I'll be showing you maybe either my phone or my laptop right now so that you will see the whole process of how to do that. So before we get into the main video, let's watch the process of you going to the bank to opening up a dollar account. You are going to be given a form, and inside that form you are going to fill everything about your life, your name, the date of birth, where you live, and the rest of them. Now at the back of the form, always read through to know the things you're to bring when you're coming to the bank to submit the form that you have filled, which is the NEPA bill. The NEPA bill shows how you have been paying your electricity bill, and after that you're going to also get a form that your referee has filled. Two referee is going to fill that form, and they must be an account holder of GTB Bank, and you are also going to come along with your Nigerian passport, Shebi. Yes, your Nigerian passport and also your driver's license. These are the two most important documents that you also need to come along to the bank, where you must have finished filling your form. And after that, you're going to submit it to the customer care service desk officer, and they are going to process everything that you have written in your form. Now, let's get into the main video. Today, we'll be making use of our Gmail account, and here is my Gmail email account. So right now, you will be getting so many emails from YouTube telling you what to do after you must have gotten to your 1,000 subscribers. So right here, I have gotten to my 1,000 subscribers, and you will be getting this message which says, congratulations, you have been accepted into the YouTube partnership program. Omo, this is really memories that we tend to have on our phone. So this is the message that you're going to get if you have gotten to your 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour. After you have gotten that, you'll be getting this message which says apply for monetization. Your channel OGOM'S series has gotten to 1,000 blah 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 and the rest of them. Then you'll be following the link. Go to the monetization section of YouTube. Just follow the process that YouTube has shown you here. Then after that, you'll be getting this Google payment after you must have created your Google AdSense. So this will say you will need to verify your account. You will need to verify your identity to receive payments from Google AdSense. To complete this verification, you will need additional information along with an image of your current government issued passports and the rest of them. Like, you need to get all these things ready, your passport or your driving license, for your account to be verified. Now, after getting this, you will also be getting like so many messages like verify your tax info, and so after you must have done the whole necessary things that YouTube wants you to do, you'll be getting this message which says identity has been verified. Please sign in into your Google AdSense account and set up a primary payment for which you haven't done so already. So this will take you to going to bank, opening up a dollar account, for which you'll be seeing the process for which you'll be seeing in the previous video before you started watching this one, me going to the bank and the rest of them. So after this one, I have been getting this email which says your payments are on hold, which means I haven't put in a dollar account for which I have opened. So after you finish opening up your dollar account, you will have to take some days before you can get your dollar account sent from the bank. So I have already opened my dollar account and they have sent this for me. So I will go back to the last payment, the last email for which I have got, which says your payments are currently on hold. So you'll be clicking down here which says sign in. So I'll be signing in right now. So click on the sign in. I want to use this Safari. You can use your Google, you can use your anyone. So I'll be signing in with my Safari. So this is actually loading. You have to wait for some while. Let it load. So here is my Google AdSense account. So this is my account, and for which this has been writing, your payments are currently on hold. Action is required to release payments. AdSense no longer shows YouTube metrics. I don't know if you can see it. To see your estimated earnings and other monetization metrics, use the YouTube Analytics Revenue Report. So this is not our problem. Our problem is going to put your dollar account. So you'll be clicking on that action. So we'll be clicking on this action here. So we'll wait for it to load, for you to bring out the next thing we'll be doing. So hold on, it's still loading. So this has already shown me my, right down here, you'll be seeing to receive payments, please choose a valid payment method, and you'll be seeing your earnings all through the time you have started YouTube, the dates for which you received that particular payment and the rest of them. So we'll be scrolling down to go to where we will put our payment method. So when you scroll down, you'll be seeing this add payment method. So I'll be clicking on this. So add payment method, you'll be seeing two options here. Payments, payment methods, add payment method, and I'll be clicking on this add new transfer details. Now, when you click on that add new transfer details, you are going to fill this form. Beneficiary ID, name on bank account, bank name, SwiftBIC. This SwiftBIC, first of all, you need to go to bank and go and ask them for the SwiftBIC of any account that you're using. When you get it, it's going to be needed here. So I'll be filling this form and I will show you when I'm done. Click on save. You'll be seeing save here. So click on save and you wait for it to load. Yes. Hold on, you have to be patient with YouTube. You have to be patient with all these things. So my account has been created. Bank transfer to bank account, the account number for which you have put, and that's it. So for you to be sure that you have put in or done the right thing, just go back to the email that you got and sign in. So I'll click on sign in and I'll use my Safari. So my Safari actually takes me directly into my Google AdSense. But if you're using Google, it will require you to log in and the rest of signing in with my Safari. If I sign in through my Safari, this is what it shows me, okay? As you can see, you are no longer seeing that payments are on hold, action required. So you can see I have put in my dollar account and everything is done. You are no longer seeing it. Now, if you want to edit your dollar account for which you have put in your AdSense account, all you need to do is to go to your payment method and they will ask you, add payment method, remove or edit. So that is what you'll be seeing there. So we have come to the end of this video. If this is a video that you can relate with, please do give it thumbs up, like, comment, share of my videos, and I will see you in my next video. Now, first thing first, when you're going to bank to go and open up a dollar account, know that you should have 2 referees in mind, 2 people that are using GTB or any bank that you're choosing. Make sure that you have 2 people using that bank and they have been using it for over 6 months or 1 year. And make sure that you're also going with your driver's license or NEPA bill, for which I've shown in my video. Make sure you're going with all these things so that you're not going back and forth to the bank to go and submit 1 or 2 things. Go with your NEPA bill. That is where you must have filled the form that they give you in the bank, and your referee has also filled his own form or her own form. and signed. Now, when you're going to go and return the form, make sure you're going with your NEPA bill, make sure you're going with your driver's license or any form of identification for which you have put in the form. Now, when you must have created the account in the bank, you will wait for some days before, or maybe highest days or weeks before they will send the account number to you. Now, they can either print this out for you, they can either print this out or send a text message to you or send an email to you. Now, when you must have gotten it, please make sure that you get your Swift BIC from any bank that you're using. Is very, very important for you to fill this form. Swift BIC, I'll be leaving it on the screen. Swift BIC, ask them that is for international payment, or just tell them that is for a dollar bills, you know. So these are the things that you'll be needing in order for you to have a successful dollar account or a well prepared AdSense account for you to receive your ego, for you to receive your dollar. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.